Hello my dear colleagues, welcome to DentalAI. I'm Dr. Nilson Pereira, a Brazilian dental radiologist. Here at DentalAI, we analyze scientific publications, create educational resources, and explore clinical applications of artificial intelligence in dentistry. Today we'll take a look at the application of the slide window method and mask RCNN method to nuclear recognition in oral cytology. Let's jump into the data extraction. I have already extracted the data. The year of the publication is 2022. The modality is oral cytology. Slide the image. The data set is 1576 plus 130 images for the mask RCNN. The data set split was 591 images for the training and 197 images for the validation for the SWN, and for the mask RCNN 130 images. The network was CNN for the SWM and mask RCNN for the other part. The metric in this was accuracy, as you can see here. The professional use for the annotation, they use one neuropathologist at least. There is no information about a supervisor. We don't know how many years he has. And he's an oral maxillofacial pathologist. We don't know the system that was used. And the task in this project was two classification to classify, and the other was to instance segmentation to segment the nuclei. The objective of this project was to compare SWN and mask RCNN for automatic nuclear detection and enable AI-assisted screening for early oral cancer diagnosis. The data for this publication we can find here. I have already extracted. So that's it for the data extractions. Here's a summary of the data extracted data. You can find it in our blog session. The link is in the comments. So thank you for watching DentalAI. Please like, subscribe, and share to stay up to date. Your comments help us improve the channel. See you in the next video.